Oh,
Probably not gonna get much.
I've been manufacturing concrete paving stones for over 30 years.
God.
Homeowners continue to
So-
pavement with Arbortech because of our unique process that guarantees the color will not fade. And no other manufacturer
I'm definitely sending this to ABC.
hopefully they'll get it.
Backed by our fully transferable lifetime warranty. Pavement with Arbortech. The proof is in the pavement.
Looks like it's raining all the way over there.
Yeah, probably is.
I'm waiting for another bowl to come. Oh!
You missed it.
Nah. Oh! Jeez.
Yeah, it's raining over there.
This is pretty cool. Getting this on video.
Will you stay here for the night? Might happen. In the lounge.
Near the cafeteria.
I don't have that in the cafeteria. See what eagle eye. Oh, stop looking out the window.
It's
You're
fun.
nothing. I mean,
Whoa! Ah!
no, I thought Gwen was bad, you know. And she is with some things. But when we were at Walmart yesterday, she was like a little kid with the rainbow. She went, you know, kind of like the Pillsbury Doughboy. She was just like,
It's nature. I think I got that one.
that red thing on the camera that's flashing, does that mean the battery? It needs to be
Right
charged.
here is battery. No, it's recording.
That's the only way she'll be able to get the flash.
Ooh!
You got that right?
Yes! Oh my god, I'm so happy.
Now, how do you send this to Action News so that they get it?
So I'm thinking.
And send it to Action
Just
News?
think, God created all that.
I ain't God.
I said, just think, God created all that.
The weather, the nature.
Sandy. Sorry.
Because it makes beef jerky and dried fruit. Of course, I never used it. But before you do the same, we wanted to find out what products on those infomercials are worth looking at your credit card for.
Ooh, I got that. I got that.
Where are you, Anthony?
I got that one right there. Oh, jeez.
Did you get that one?
I don't think so.
So tell us about the infomercials. I mean, why are they on in the middle
Ooh.
of the night? Why are there so many of them?
I think bottom line is the reason why late night TV is there's so many infomercials on it because the media time's cheap.
Ooh.
Not to sell.
This is more of a lightning storm than thunderstorm. Ooh. Not sure if I got that. Ooh.
You're getting good viewing here, Colleen.
Ooh.
Wait a minute, nobody's sending you one yet, are they?